Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11. So in the first step, click here and then type services. Now click here to open it. On this window, search for Windows Event Collector. Then right click on it and click on Properties. Then set Startup Type as Automatic and then click on Start. Then click on Apply and then OK. Now right click on Windows Event Log. Select properties and set startup type as automatic. Then click on apply and then click on OK. Now go for Windows Update. Right click on it, select properties. Again set startup type as automatic. Click on apply and then click on start. Now close all windows. In the next step, open Google Chrome, then type DirectX end user runtime and hit enter. And then click on the first link. On this window, scroll down and select language and then click on download. After that, open setup file, click on S. Now check this box and click on next. Now you have to uncheck this box. Again, click on next, and it will take some time to install the setup file. So wait for it. After that, close all windows, and in the final step, go to search bar, type here control panel, then click here to open it. Now click on programs, then click on turn Windows feature on or off. After that, you have to check these two boxes and then click on OK. That's it guys, your problem will be solved and you are good to go.